Good medical morning. Today we're going to look at some new lip and nose pops. Here's the first video from Cosmos Nodos on Reddit. They say it's their first video, so quote, "Be gentle. What do you think?" Next is titled Ready, Aim, and it's by Thwip. This one is by Big Baby Tom. He doesn't seem like a big baby to me. Great mustache, bro. Also, check out this professional Comedone extractor kit. I'll provide more information in a moment and an Amazon link below. Lip pimples are commonplace because they're right in the middle of the dreaded T-zone, an area of significant oil production and a lot of pores. I know some of you don't want to see pimple pictures, but this one is one of my favorites. Also, here are some great lip pimples from Instagram. Medical morning. This is Watson, your Prince of Popping, with a discussion about our two most popular topics, nose blackheads and ear blackheads. That's right, of the 900,000 search impressions our page had last month, 8 of the top 10 search terms were some combination of the words nose and ear blackheads. Apparently, you love both. On a side note, dilated pores of Weiner and pimple popping round out the top 10. So which do you like more? Would you rather see ear blackheads like this? Or would you rather see nose blackheads, like this? Let's look at various examples of each. So, do you want to guess our other top search terms? The top 12 searches were all some sort of blackhead or pimple popping combo video. Numbers 13 and 15 were tonsil stone and tonsil stones. Yuck. And number 14 is Steatocystoma. Steatocystoma multiplex is a benign autosomal dominant congenital condition resulting in multiple cysts on a person's body. Steatocystoma simplex is the solitary counterpart to Steatocystoma multiplex. Here are a few more examples. All of these stats are based on the search results from our channel called All Star Medical. I guess we should change our name to All Star Blackheads, as you love those open comedones. And thanks again for subscribing to the channel. Please make sure to click the notification bell for all our updates. Adam and I are dedicated to helping educate and inform the general public and destigmatize health and dermatological conditions. By sharing our videos, you become part of the team. So thanks for watching. Let's grow together. But in a good way, not in a nail fungus kind of way. Hey folks, to get rid of blackheads and blemishes the right way, get a Comedone extractor kit. This one here is the best we could find. It has a high quality to price ratio. It's got solid steel instruments, a compact case for traveling, and a good variety of tools for all your needs, including a lancet for whiteheads. Using an extractor like this is the easiest and safest method, as it reduces the chances of scarring and secondary infection. And to help keep things safe and sterile, as a bonus, we're throwing in a free 10-pack of nitrile gloves. Use the Amazon link below to get a kit of your very own.